10 most expensive motorcycles in the world. Guys are crazy for motorcycles and heavy bikes. Well, keeping this in mind, some of the most luxurious companies in the world have manufactured bikes whose looks are enough to make people always wonder how they were created. These wheels are sure to be a symbol of your personality and a part of your identity. These bikes are expensive due to their structure, design, speed, and outlook. They've been designed by always keeping in view the luxury and the thrill that a driver has in mind. Obviously, these bikes are not for commoners. They are only for millionaires and billionaires. Here is a list of the top 10 most expensive bikes in the world. The Icon Sheen at $172,000. The Icon Sheen motorcycle is developed by one of the most charismatic motorcyclist figures, Barry Sheene. His designs are reflected in all aspects of the Icon Sheen. The world's first ultra bike has been added to the most expensive motorcycles in the world, costing $172,000. It has a Suzuki 1400cc engine with a Motec Formula One wiring system with data logging and mapping adjustments. The Icon Sheen is considered a complex piece of engineering, having achieved 250 PhDs and 133 pounds per foot of torque, making it amongst the most powerful bikes in the world. MTT Turbine Street Fighter at $175,000. Known as the Y2K Turbine Superbike, it is a wheel-driven motorcycle equipped with a turboshaft engine. It is powered by a Rolls-Royce Allison Model 250 gas turbine engine, producing 320 SHPs at a 52,000 RPMs. The fastest bike in the world stands among the most expensive bikes in the world. With a price tag of $175,000 at its launch, it is an exceptional addition headed by a custom builder and former bike racer named Christian Trevor. Suzuki AEM Carbon Fiber Hayabusa at $200,000. The AEM Carbon Fiber Hayabusa is a special bike formed by Suzuki in collaboration with AEM. It was revealed in Las Vegas at the annual SEMA convention in 2008. An extremely light frame allows its engine to rev the bike up to 186 miles per hour with Wolfsner forged 9.51 turbo pistons and rods, adjustable cam sprockets, and HD valve springs. The cosmetic MLS head gasket makes it one of the most costly exclusive models made, and it is listed as one of the most expensive bikes in the world at $200,000. Ducati Testa Stretta NCR Macchia Nera concept at $225,000. The Ducati Testa Stretta Macchia Nera is equipped with titanium parts from its Trellis Ducati engine with a unique full-race exhaust system. The bike is powered by a full-race Ducati Testa Stretta engine rated at 180 horsepower, while its components were reassembled from earlier models. The bike is also among the most expensive collection of bikes in the world, with a price tag of $225,000. It is built by the famed Italian designer Aldo Drudi, who has made it a brand new, aggressive design. Ducati Desmosa DC D16RR NCR N16 at $232,500. NCR's new Molona 16 features selected trick parts that turns it into an exotic